4-foot stick, a movement I use to help my back. I have scoliosis. You'll notice when I lean over that my back is a little bit different than the normal back. These bows, using the half fold position and keeping the head erect, keeps the back as flat as possible, helping my spine to strengthen. When we look at it from the side, you can see the range of motion of the hip hinge, keeping the legs nice and straight, hinging at the hips, keeping the back straight. The vision is always forward. The arms are locked in by having the stick at the base of the neck. The strength is in the back of the legs.